Tired of manually digging through Salesforce for data? Learn how to run reports in under 2 minutes with this simple workflow. I know that feeling. You need a list of your top deals, or maybe you're trying to track which accounts haven't been contacted yet. And instead of having that information ready to go, you're clicking through records one by one, copying and pasting into a spreadsheet. It is such a time sink. But here's the good news. Salesforce already has the tools to do this for you. You just need to know where to click. We'll start from the Reports tab. Pick the right report type and run your first report. Let's go. So first things first, navigate to the Reports tab. Now, depending on how your Salesforce is set up, you might see it right there in the top navigation bar. If you don't see it, click that little grid icon in the top left corner, the app launcher, and type in Reports. It should pop right up. This is your home base for everything report-related. You'll see a list of any reports that have been shared with you, or ones you've created in the past. But we're starting fresh today, so don't worry about that list. All right. Once you're on the Reports tab, look for a big button that says New Report. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic starts. What you're doing here is telling Salesforce, hey, I want to build something from scratch. It opens up a new window where you'll choose exactly what kind of data you want to pull. Now, this next step is really important, choosing your report type. This is the part I see people get tripped up on most often. The report type basically tells Salesforce which objects you want to look at. For example, if you want to see your opportunities, you'd choose a report type that starts with opportunities. If you're tracking customer support cases, you'd pick one related to cases. And here's a pro tip from working in Salesforce for a while. Your report type also determines what fields are available to you. So if you can't find a field you're looking for later, it's usually because you picked a report type that doesn't include that data. So take a moment here, scroll through the list, search for the primary object you care about. Once you've found the right one, click on it to select it. After you've chosen your report type, you'll see a button at the bottom right that says Continue. Click that. This takes you into the actual report builder, and this is where things get visual. You'll see a preview area on the right and a bunch of options on the left. So now that we've got the framework set up, let's move on to the last step. Finally, just click the Run button up at the top. This executes the report with the default settings. Your data will populate right in front of you. It might take a moment to process, especially if you're working with a big data set. But once it's done, you've done it. You've gone from no data to a fully functional report in just a few clicks. And that is basically the entire workflow. From the Reports tab, create a new report, pick the right type, hit Continue, and run it. Once you've got that down, you can start adding filters, grouping data, and building charts. But this foundation, knowing how to create and run a report quickly, is what saves you from all that manual digging. Give it a try the next time you need to look something up. You might surprise yourself with how fast it goes.